Good morning. Green Valley Medical Clinic. How can I help you?
Hi. I'd like to make an appointment with a doctor.
Of course. Are you a new patient, or have you been here before?
I've been to your clinic before.
Great. May I have your full name, please?
My name is Michael Davis.
Thank you. What is your date of birth?
It's March 12, 1988.
Thank you, Mr. Davis. I found your information.
Great.
What would you like to see the doctor about?
I have a sore throat and a cough.
Do you have any other symptoms?
I also have a mild fever.
How long have you felt sick?
I felt sick for about 4 days.
Are you having any trouble breathing or chest pain?
No, I'm not.
All right. Let me check our available appointments.
Thank you.
Dr. Wilson has an opening today at 3:30 p.m.
I have to work this afternoon.
She also has an opening tomorrow at 10:30 a.m.
Tomorrow morning works better for me.
All right. I'll schedule you for Tuesday, August 18th at 10:30 a.m.
That time is perfect. Thank you.
Your appointment will be with Dr. Wilson.
Okay. I've seen Dr. Wilson before.
I'll note that you have a sore throat, a cough, and a mild fever.
That's correct.
Please arrive 15 minutes before your appointment.
So, I should arrive at 10:15. Is that right?
That's right. It will give you time to check in.
What should I bring with me?
Please bring a photo ID and your insurance card.
I'll bring both.
Please also bring a list of the medicines you take.
I can bring that list.
Since you're coughing, please wear a mask when you come in.
No problem. I'll wear one.
We have masks at the front desk if you need one.
That's helpful. Thank you.
Has your phone number or address changed since your last visit?
No, they're both still the same.
Good. Your information is up to date.
Could you please tell me the clinic address?
We're at 245 Green Street, next to the public library.
That's 245 Green Street, next to the library.
Correct. There is free parking behind the building.
Great.
Let me confirm your appointment one more time.
Sure. It's Tuesday at 10:30, and I should arrive at 10:15.
Exactly. Please bring your ID and insurance card, and remember to wear a mask.
I will.
Please call us if you need to change or cancel the appointment.
I'll do that.
Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, that's everything.
All right. We'll see you tomorrow.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Good morning, Mr. Davis. It's good to see you again. How are you feeling today?
Not very well. My throat hurts, and I've been coughing.
What other symptoms do you have?
I have a mild fever, and I don't have much energy.
When did your symptoms start?
They started about 5 days ago.
Are they getting better or worse?
My throat feels a little worse, but the other symptoms are about the same.
Do you know what your temperature has been?
It was around 100 degrees Fahrenheit last night.
Is your cough dry, or are you coughing up mucus?
It's mostly a dry cough.
Do you have any trouble breathing or any chest pain?
No, I can breathe normally, and I don't have chest pain.
Have you had a headache or body aches?
I had a mild headache, and my back and legs feel a little sore.
How have you been sleeping and eating?
I haven't slept well because I cough at night, and I'm eating less than usual.
Have you taken any medicine?
I took acetaminophen last night.
Did it help?
Yes, it lowered my temperature for a few hours.
Do you have any allergies to medicine?
I don't have any medicine allergies that I know of.
Has anyone around you been sick recently?
One of my coworkers had a cough last week.
Thank you. I'd like to examine you now.
Okay.
Your temperature is 100.4 degrees Fahrenheit, so you have a mild fever.
Is that something I should worry about?
It's a mild fever, but we'll keep an eye on it.
I understand.
Now I'm going to listen to your lungs with a stethoscope. Please sit up straight and take a deep breath.
Like this?
Yes, that's good. Please take one more deep breath.
Okay.
Your lungs sound clear, which is a good sign.
I'm glad to hear that.
Next, I'm going to look at your throat. Please open your mouth and say, ah.
Ah.
Your throat looks red and a little swollen.
Does it look serious?
It doesn't look serious. Your symptoms are probably caused by a common viral infection.
Do I need an antibiotic?
I don't think you need one right now. Antibiotics don't treat viruses.
What should I do to feel better?
Get plenty of rest and drink water, soup, or warm tea.
Can I keep taking acetaminophen?
Yes, but follow the directions on the label and don't take more than the label says.
Is there anything I can take for my cough?
I'll send a prescription for benzonatate, a cough medicine, to your pharmacy.
How should I take it?
Take one capsule up to 3 times a day when you need it. Follow the directions on the prescription label.
Could it make me sleepy?
It may make some people feel sleepy or dizzy. See how it affects you before you drive.
When should I begin to feel better?
You may start to feel better within the next few days.
Can I go back to work tomorrow?
Stay home until your symptoms are getting better and you've had no fever for at least 24 hours without fever medicine.
When should I contact the clinic again?
Call us if you get a high fever, have trouble breathing, or feel much worse.
What if my symptoms don't improve?
Please call us if you aren't improving after several more days.
Which pharmacy will receive the prescription?
I'll send it to the pharmacy on Green Street, across from the public library.
Great. I can pick it up on my way home.
Do you have any other questions?
No, I think you answered everything.
Hi. How can I help you today?
I'm here to pick up a prescription.
Certainly. What is your full name?
My name is Michael Davis.
Thank you. What is your date of birth?
It's March 12, 1988.
Let me check the computer. Yes, your prescription is ready.
Great. I'm glad it's ready.
Have you used this pharmacy before?
Yes, I've picked up medicine here before.
Is your phone number still ending in 4826?
Yes, that's correct.
Is your insurance information still the same?
Yes, I have the same insurance.
Your insurance covered most of the cost. Your total is $12.
Why didn't my insurance cover the full price?
Your plan has a $12 copay. That means you pay $12.
I understand.
Before I give you the medicine, do you have any allergies to medicine?
I don't have any medicine allergies that I know of.
This medicine is called benzonatate.
What does it do?
It helps reduce your cough.
How much should I take?
Your label says to take 1 capsule when you need it.
How many times a day can I take it?
You may take 1 capsule up to 3 times a day. Follow the directions on the label.
Should I take it with food?
You can take it with or without food.
Should I drink water with it?
Yes. Swallow the capsule whole with water.
Can I open or chew the capsule?
No. It can numb your mouth or throat and make it hard to swallow.
I understand.
Just to make sure, please tell me how you'll take it.
I'll take 1 capsule up to 3 times a day when I need it.
That's right. Take only 1 capsule at a time for this prescription.
Should I take an extra capsule if I forget a dose?
No. You take this medicine only when needed, so don't take an extra dose.
Could it make me sleepy?
It may make some people feel sleepy or dizzy.
Can I drive after taking it?
See how it affects you first. Don't drive if you feel sleepy or dizzy.
Okay. I'll be careful.
Are you taking any other cold or pain medicine?
I'm only taking acetaminophen for my fever and throat pain.
You can usually take them together, but don't use another product that also contains acetaminophen.
I'll check the labels carefully.
Some people may have dizziness, a headache, or an upset stomach.
When should I get medical help?
Get medical help right away if you have trouble breathing, swelling, or another serious reaction.
I understand.
Never share this prescription medicine with anyone.
I won't share it.
Keep it at room temperature in a cool, dry place.
I'll keep it in a bedroom cabinet.
Also, keep it where children and pets cannot reach it. It can be very dangerous if swallowed by mistake.
I'll keep it in a safe place.
Is there anything else you need today?
Do you have anything that may help my sore throat?
We have throat drops near the front counter. They may help your throat feel better.
I'll take 1 small bag, please.
Your total with the throat drops is $15.
I'll pay with my credit card.
Please insert your card into the machine.
Okay. The payment was approved.
Here are your medicine, throat drops, and receipt. I hope you feel better soon.
Thank you for your help. Have a good day.